Hi there, nice to meet you. Math Course 1, Creative Learning Adventures. Let's go. Unit 2, Multiplying and Dividing Fractions. Topic 5, Real World Fraction Problems. Let's go. Real World Fraction Problem. Let's solve a real world fraction problem together. A recipe uses 3/4 cup of milk, but we are only making 2/3 of the recipe. Okay? So we need to find how much milk we'll use. Since we're finding part of a part, we multiply the fractions. So first, multiply the numerators. 3 times 2 equals 6. Next, multiply the denominators. 4 times 3 equals 12. So that gives us 6 over 12. So now simplify the fraction. Both 6 and 12 can be divided by 6. So what does that mean? That means that 6/12 is equal to half. 6 over 12 is equal to 1 over 2. In other words, so your answer is that you need half cup of milk. So you need half a cup of milk. So always remember, when you need to find a fraction of something, we multiply the fractions first. Then we simplify the answer. Pause this video so you could do your activity in your workbook. Let's continue to solve real-world fraction problems. All right, so view the image as I speak. A runner completed 5/6 of a trail. If that distance was 2/3 mile, how long is the entire trail? What we know is that the runner completed 5/6 of the trail. We know that the distance was 2/3 of a mile. And we know that we need to find the whole trail. So, how long is the entire trail? Step 1, decide what operation to use. We know the part, right? We know the part. And we want to find the whole. So when we know the part and want to find the whole, that means we are going to divide. So write 2/3 divided into 5/6. This is all coming together, right? Yes, it is. Let's go over our rule because we're dividing fractions. So we're going to keep, change, flip, and then simplify if necessary. So to divide fractions, we remember that we keep, change, and flip. Keep the first fraction, which is 2/3, right? Change the division sign to multiplication and then flip the second fraction, which is 5/6, which becomes 6/5. All right? So now we have 2/3 times 6/5. Okay? Step 3, multiply the numerators. Multiply the top numbers. 2 times 6 equals 12. Step 4, multiply the denominators. Multiply the bottom numbers is what that means. 3 times 5 equals 15. Now our answer is 12/15. Step 5, simplify. Both 12 and 15 can be divided by the number 3. So 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Excellent job. So our simplified answer is 4/5. Final answer, the entire trail is 4/5 of a mile long. So remember, when you know the part and need to find the whole, divide the fractions. Then use keep, change, flip, multiply, and simplify your answer if possible. Excellent job. Pause the video so you could do your activity in your student workbook. Let's look at another example because again, In order to learn something, we must repeat things. And in order to learn things, we must practice. So we're going to do real world fraction problems again. So a garden is 2/5 of an acre, right? A garden is 2/5 of an acre. Vegetables use 3/8 of the garden. So for the vegetable space, it's using 3/8 of the garden. How many acres are used for vegetables? You look at the images while I speak. So our question is, how many acres are used for vegetables, right? Step 1, decide what operation to use. We're always going to have to decide what operation are we using. So whenever we are finding a part of another part, we multiply the fractions. So we write 2/5 times 3/8. Then multiply the numerators. Multiply the top numbers. 2 times 3 equals 6. Then step 3, multiply the denominators. Multiply the bottom numbers. 5 times 8 equals 40. Now our answer is 6/40. Now we're going to simplify because both 6 and 40 can be divided by 2. 6 divided into 2 equals 3. 40 divided into 2 equals 20. So our simplified answer is 3/20. So our final answer is 3/20 of an acre is used for vegetables. Remember, when you are finding a part of a part, multiply the fractions, then simplify your answer if possible. So we'll continue using this more detailed teaching style for the rest of this curriculum. So I hope that it's understood to you and it's broken down in a simple way. Let's look at our next example problem. Problem number 4. You have 3/4 yard of ribbon. You use 2/5 of it. How much ribbon did you use? Our question is what? How much ribbon did you use? Step 1, what are we doing? Yes, we are deciding what operation to use. We are finding a part of a whole. So we multiply the fractions. Write 3/4 times 2/5. Step 2, multiply the numerators. Multiply the top numbers. 3 times 2 equals 6. Step 3, multiply the denominators. Multiply the bottom numbers. 4 times 5 equals 20. Now our answer is 6/20. Excellent. Step 4, simplify. Both 6 and 20 can be divided by 2. What does that mean? 6 divided into 2 equals 3. 20 divided into 2 equals 10. So our simplified answer is 3/10. It's 3/10. So our final answer, you use 3/10 yards of ribbon. Remember, when you are finding a part of a whole, multiply the fraction first, then simplify your answer if possible. Excellent job, creative learning adventurers. You guys are doing an amazing job, and I'm proud of you. Creative learning adventurers, you have made it to the end. Excellent job. All right, like, comment, and subscribe. If this video is helpful, leave a comment and share it. And definitely subscribe. But if you need more information, more help, and simply put, you just don't have anyone to help you, please let me know if I need to do a video to help you and assist you even further, because I can do a video that shows me actually helping by a whiteboard. Have a good day. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.